All right, today is the 16th of January 2026, and these are my trading notes for the MNQ, that is the micro NASDAQ. And what it is, it was a profitable day. Um, I was waiting, or I did do a little trading pre-market on one of my other accounts and made my profits. I think it was about 150 bucks for the day, and I closed that account. I just shut it down and I opened a different account with Lucid that I have, and it's a kind of like a combine or eval account. So I was waiting. The opening looked like it was going to go up, and this was that high. It broke. At first, let me show what. Here we go. So this is the 1 minute chart, and this is the 1 minute chart on the S&P. I like to see those in working together, going the same way. If the structures don't match up, I try to stay away from it. I want them to be going in unison or correlation, conjunction, whatever you want to call it. So here was the open. It went down first, then went up. And what I usually do is I wait for a red, like if it's going up, I wait for one red candle pullback. But today I just went ahead and got in and I got stopped out. So when it came down and broke the low that it had just made on the first candle, I was looking at possibility of it actually going down. So I went over here to a higher time frame, and this is the 5 minute. And I like to see all these things, all these confluences looking to the downside, which they didn't start doing that until right in on about this candle's where they start crossing over. This is the 50 line here on the on the CCI. The white dotted line is the 50 on the RSI, and then this is the MACD, and this is the DMI, the directional move indicator. So what I've seen this happen, though, quite a bit in the past, and here's the way I traded it today, was I was already at a loss, and it started coming down. As I didn't get short below this low. I waited till this one over here because there was a automatic drawn line. I don't know if this will show up here. No, it's this. Let's see here. These this software I use on TradingView automatically puts lines in, which is kind of cool. It's called Fluid Trades SMC Lite, and it will automatically plot lines of resistance and lines of support. So it was showing this level as being the line of support. So I figured, okay, I'll sell below that low since it already went down and then went back up and then came down again. I've just noticed in the past, this is the overnight, it broke below. And what my strategy was that if it breaks it and keeps on going, I traded one micro. And then if it kept on going, I would add to it. And that's what I did. So here's the, let's see, it's this right over here. Yeah, right here. It was at 95, I believe, in that area, 95. So I put a sell stop right here at 95, and it broke low. Didn't continue all the way down. It went, I think it went down to 94 and a half. So it just broke a little bit. This is the 1 minute, like I said, but everything is pointing down. And at that point, this was doing the same thing, E-mini. So what I did is when it broke the 95 and then moved back up, I put more sell stops below 94 and a half. And I think it was 5 of them, or 4 of them, 5 altogether. So I was short one already. It broke the low and it added me automatically. And it came down. I started making some pretty good little money, profit here at this time. And then when it got down here, it started hesitating. I didn't know if it was going to try and come back up. So I just, I took profit at 48. So right there, 48. But it would have been another sell order. I had to go take care of something right around that time. So I just went and got out, and I was done for the day on my other account, the second account. But look at this. it kept, oh, wait a minute, I'll take that back. I did take one more trade, and that was this one right here. Uh, I put, I had my, let's see, right, oh shoot. Um, I sold below this low right here on this green candle. And when it broke low, it went on down. I got out right in this area right here. And so I made, and that was just one micro though, because initially I was done for the day. And then I said, well, I'll just try one more just to kind of prove the point of the strategy. So everything was doing the same thing over here on the E-mini ES. So like I said, I was done for the day. I am done for the day now. Everything has started back up, it looks like. But I do this because I'm just, instead of keeping notes in a book that I'm not going to look at, I make videos and talk about it while it's still fresh of what I did. So I was profitable in both accounts today, and I was not copy trading. I was doing each one separately. But what I like to do is make sure, so the red is over the green. That means it's bearish. The yellow is below the blue line. That means bearish. The yellow is below the white line, dotted line. It's bearish. Everything's showing bearish. So here's where you can use these confluences. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart. Let's look at 15. Same thing. Everything's going. It's just on a bigger scale here, longer time scale. But this is when you see this happening. That's when you start looking for, say, a bear flag. Now, if it's going the other way, you want to do a bull flag when all this is reversed. So that was my trading strategy. It worked today, and but like I said, I took a loss at the beginning, but made it all back. So I hope you had a good trading day, and I'll see you in the next video.